Hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. Now in this video I am going to show you how to set value of the property in Credential store. So here we have additional property, it means we have additional value. So we have this client pass, that is property, and the value that we updated ABC has test. Now if you want to update this value on runtime, then how can you do that? So I am going to show you now. So let me first change this. So currently this value is ABC has test. Now I will update XYZ has test. So let me just change to the password and let me take here one action, delete this. Let me first delete this one, I can put this last and double click on that, select here credentials and select here set property. So set property is used to set the value of that property against that credential. Now here in the input we need to pass that credential name. So this is the credential name and property name that we have is client underscore pass. So this is our property name, and the value that you want to update against this property name you can update here or you can take it from your data item. So let me first put here password as a XYG123 and in output will not be getting anything. Now click OK, link this here, right click, set next stage. Just do one thing, double click on this again and put this in the double quotation so that it can accept this as a password. Now let me take this get property here, right click, set next stage. So first we have property value that is ABC has test. Now we'll update. So here using set property we have updated the value. Now we are going to get property again. So this time we'll be getting XYG123. It means now we have updated that property here. So by this way you can update the property value against that credential. So I hope you like this video. If so, then please like this video and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching this video.